suspicious about you?
There's nothing suspicious.
Who was that?
I'm a banana. A talking banana.
Ow, you bit me.
Oh, sorry. Don't stick your finger in my mouth.
Hello.
I have a tongue in there.
My nose. That's not. Blink.
Don't touch me.
Blink.
Stop it.
Blink.
Stop it. Stop it. If you would like to subscribe to this video, click up there. Oh, upside down. Dance, clap your hands, clap your hands, dance, dance. Yeah, duh.
I'm gonna call you Banana as the first name, and your last name will be Split.
Ah, that's a good one. Not like anyone calls me that. They don't call me Peel either.
Are those real?
Yeah, they're real. Why wouldn't they? Ow!
Who said that?
It's called me, a banana. I'm a talking banana. Ow! What are you doing? Ow!
Surgery time.
Ow! Ow! I'm just a banana. Don't have to be mean. Don't flip me up and down like that.
So, when does my banana split come?
4 o'clock. Retard.
It's 4:01.
Sorry.
You're late. Ouch.
That probably hurt, didn't it? No duh, my eyes are made of plastic.
You're fake.
No duh, I'm just a talking banana.
Oh, fake banana.
No, I'm a fake talking banana. Ow, ow, ow. Ow! Ow, ow, ow!
If you like this thing that we just did, don't do whatever you want to do. And don't try this at home.
Bye.